Okay, let's go. Kamikaze. Fast and bumpy, guys. Hold on to your phones tightly. Yeah. We're going straight today. I hardly recognize this anymore. So overgrown. But we've had a lot of rain here. I'm sure they'll get back into the trails now. That's the right, yeah. From quartz forest to quartz ridge. A lot of quartz stones here. After this is such a slow climb. It's quite vertical, quite a steep angle. So, I really need to pay some attention to this bottom half. I suppose people just don't ride it anymore because it's not as accessible as it used to be. Got to barely see where the trails go. Come on, Andy, get your guys out here. I'm sure you don't ride here anymore. Oh, I'm lost. Yeah, I know where I'm going now. Oh, this is crazy, man. Oh. This section is a lot easier to see where we're going. Yeah. And then you walk off to the right, eh? That's really good. To the actual soil. If I can find it. Okay, got it. Yeah. I don't know, this is ridiculous, guys. Phew. Is this even part of the trail? I can't even see where it goes anymore. Okay. Yes. Okay. There's the trail there. Wow. No ways, man. Like I'm riding in the middle of the veld somewhere. We've got some of the bush stuck in my spokes now. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, let's get to an easy gear. Yeah, it just climbs. Oh, this is crazy, man. Is this even part of the trails anymore? Yeah.